Prove that b square x square minus a square y square is equal to a square b square if 1. X is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta, or 2. X is equal to a cosecant theta, y is equal to b cot theta. LHS is equal to b square x square minus a square y square is equal to, here x is equal to a secant theta, b square into a secant theta whole square minus a square into y is equal to b tan theta, that is b tan theta whole square, is equal to b square into a square secant square theta minus a square into b square tan square theta is equal to a square into b square common, that is a square into b square into secant square theta minus tan square theta. Here secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, that is a square b square is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to b square x square minus a square y square. Here x is equal to a cosecant theta, that is b square into a cosecant theta whole square minus a square into y is equal to b cot theta whole square. Y is equal to b cot theta, that is b cot theta whole square is equal to b square into a square cosecant square theta minus a square into b square cot square theta is equal to a square into b square common, that is a square into b square into cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So that is a square b square into 1 is equal to a square b square is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That is b square x square minus a square y square is equal to a square b square. Hence proved.